everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you how to play with friends from different regions on Valorant. So let's get started. Number 1. Open Valorant. Launch the Valorant game on your PC and log into your account. Number 2. Change your region. Go to the settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. Select the General tab and find the region settings. Change your region to Match Your Friends region. Number 3. Restart the game. After changing the region, restart Valorant to apply the new settings. Number 4. Add your friend. Use the social tab to add your friend's Riot ID, username and tag if you haven't done so already. Number 5. Invite your friend. Once your friend is added, invite them to your party by clicking on their name and selecting invite. Number 6. Start playing. Once your friend joins your party, you can select a game mode and start playing together. Enjoy gaming with your friends across different regions. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.